Welcome to the learning module on quicker income closure. First time right with the help of Perfios integration. Perfios is a secured gateway enabling direct submission of 6 months bank statement or income tax returns to iProve. It helps with immediate submission of required and acceptable income documents and quick closure of income requirements and issuance. It is similar to any payment gateway where customer just needs to log in basis his or her net banking or ITR login credentials. Let's understand step by step. Perfios API is integrated on App Tracker against open income discrepancy. First, go to Internet Banking Authentication. Select Authentication type, that is, bank statement or income tax returns, and provide consent by clicking on I agree button. If bank statement is chosen, select bank name. Once banking credentials are entered by the customer and CAPTCHA verification is done, a pop-up will appear confirming authentication completion. It will then land back to App Tracker with a message, documents uploaded and under verification. If income tax return is chosen, PAN card details in applications are auto-fetched once ITR credentials are entered by customer. It will then land back to App Tracker with a message, documents uploaded and under verification. Now, let's look at the eliminated efforts because of Perfios integration. Chasing the customer for income docs, uploading the income documents, customer downloading bank statement or ITR, sharing of income documents which some customers may not be comfortable with, convincing reluctant customers to share documents, incorrect or partial upload of income documents, and re-triggering requirements. Thank you.